What's up everyone? I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of my 3 snare drums on my kit. Now let's take a look at each drum. This first is my newer PDP Kraken snare drum with the really cool logo. And this is a 13 by 3.5 inches deep. And it has a standard 20 strand snare wires on the bottom with an Evans black hydraulic coated head. Next up is my favorite. This is my Tama S.L.P hand hammered steel snare drum, and this is a 6-inch deep by 14-inch. Has a really nice throw off, and I'm running 42 strand Tama snare wires underneath the bottom, along with the Evans hydraulic coated black snare head. And as you can see, I've got some gaff tape and some moon gel. And then last but not least is my Tama duo snare. This is also an S.L.P branded drum, and I mainly use this as a floor tom, but it also has the snare strands on the bottom, which makes it really cool for those big fat grooves. And this also has a 42 strand snare wire underneath, and this is by DB Percussion, I believe. Just some cheaper 42 strand snare I found on eBay. And it also has the black hydraulic coated head. Thank you again for taking the time to watch and listen. And if you have any questions on any of the gear that I have, please leave a comment or just hit me up. And until next time, I'll see you later.